Hello there, folks. This is the clock on my Whirlpool gas stove, and it is loud. I don't know why it's so loud, but anyway, it's daylight savings, so everything in the house, some things need change, some things hook up the internet. This is not hooked up to the internet, so it doesn't know that it's actually 10:24 according to the American, rechange everything in the fall and the spring. Anyway, it's got to be 10:25. We're going to show you how to do that. So hit clock, okay, and then hit time. See, temp time. Just keep going up. You can actually press in and it will go by fives. 10. What did I say? 25. 10:25. Then hit clock again. And you're done. And you're done. And that's it. So, if you want to see that one more time, clock. And see these, the little colon in the middle blinks. That's how you know that you're in clock mode. And if you don't press something, it beeps at you and says push. It's like, okay, I'll push. So I pushed like the down arrow, which means that I'm ticking backwards. If I push the up arrow, I'm going forwards. Alright, all done. So have a great day. See if you can help somebody today.